Welcome to the August monthly Assembly celebration. My name is Parker Goodman, and I'm the member of your 2021-2022 Assembly team. My teammates are Bella Goodman, Noah Lee, and Taylor Parker.
Welcome, new students. At Simpsonia, we are grouped into houses that represents the most important character traits for students. Congrats to our new house members.
There are many ways to earn points for your house. You can earn points by having perfect attendance each month, meeting your reading goal, meeting your math goal, doubling your AR points, earning distinguished and proficient on K-Prep, completing book series, and bringing box tops to school. At the end of the year, one house winner will be announced, and that house will receive a pizza party. The 2020 through 2021 house winner was Jaw Siri. Congratulations!
The August character trait was wisdom. Wisdom is finding out what you should do and doing it.
Congratulations to the August students of the month. Andrew Coleman, Kinley Garrett, Titan Doggett, Becken Landry, Brody Gibson, Carmela Coleman, McKenna Athenas, Emma Houston, Taylor Coleman, Wyatt Beck, Kenton Merrick, Jalen Ingram, Kendall Whalen, David Wilfer, Cole Atherton, Lily Byer, Aniston Armstrong, Jackson Tucker.
Our teachers of the month were second grade teacher, Miss Nikki, and our school secretary, Miss Tina. Congratulations to you both.
The September character trait is initiative. Initiative is seeing what needs to be done and doing it.
At the end of the year, students that have not received a single infraction will earn a trip to Holiday World.
The house winner for attendance this month is Zena Funa with 97.8% attendance. Teachers that have perfect attendance for this month of August earned 1 point each for their house. They are also entered into a drawing for a free Jean Day.
Each house earns 1 point for each house earns 1 house point for each pound of cantabs brought in. House winner is Ukadala.
What are the point clubs? 25-point club is a giant pixie stick. 50-point club is a book. 100-point club is a t-shirt. 150-point club is a blizzard. And 200-point club is a mystery field trip.
25-point club, Bella Goodman, Jaden Kellen, Dorley Macias, Kenton Merrick. 50-point club, Drew Robertson, Brittany Ring. 100-point club, Lucas Smith. Congratulations.